Hello and welcome to an edition of Do I Have a Vehicle for You? Well, I do, and she's a 2020 Jeep Wrangler. So here she is. Okay, so this is a 2020 Jeep Wrangler Sahara Unlimited Edition. Black in color, mag wheels, spare tire, reverse camera, hard top, T-tops also. Power locks, windows, cruise control, tilt wheel, 4x4 transmission with a reverse camera. Automatic also. Air vents in the back for you, cup holders, removable T-tops, and a ton of room in the back for all your stuff. So if this Jeep is something that you would be interested in, please give us a call back at the dealership at 808-334-1111. And please ask for me, Rhino. You can also reach me on my cell phone at 808-437-3355. Thank you very much for watching the video. Have a great day.